So guys, this is the island and it is the evening view of the island and it was superb to be seen. Finally here we are and we got ready and Navdeep will show her outfit now. Okay, this is a shirt. We had customized both of our photos and oh, it was really a hot water when we got down first, but after that it became cold. Guys, of course we are in a beach, so swimming is must and I was getting ready to swim, but I could only swim for 5 minutes because automatically my eyes became reddish color because the water was literally salty. So if you people are go planning to visit here, please bring a proper goggles. Means because of my eyes I have to keep both glasses to see inside the water, so I have eye problem, as you know, because I keep specs. So when you come and comment down, we will give a thumbs up if it is correct or not. Pretty enjoying it and there was lot of other people, so that's why we could not vlog that much. But Navdeep, I think so, she enjoyed a lot, continuously saying that what happened previously due to the mic issue that did not get recorded and the video also did not get recorded. We came out of the water to this side of the beach so that we could go near the ride, but unfortunately when we were going near to that, they told us that we could not enter it because we have to do payment for it. It was around 1% 35 to 40 BD. So I and Abdeep decided that no need to go near that. Means like we'll no need to play in that. So 1% 30 BD Finally, he was continuously saying that why we could not enter the ride. Unfortunately, we could not enter because as Navdeep went to the office to check that we could ride the jet scheme, but unfortunately, that was also not included in the package, and there also we got disappointment. And Navdeep was saying nothing is included in the package, only the cottage was included in the package and the beach, nothing else. She was so angry that nothing she could ride. But after all of the disappointment, we found a cute baby sitting in the beach, and literally it was enjoying a lot. It was so pretty to touch her face, and she was so friendly to everyone. And Navdeep was trying to touch her. When she touched her, she was smiling. So that I think it did not get recorded. It was literally trying to touch Navdeep also. And finally, it is my turn. Guys, we were so tired, and before we becomes black, we took some of our pictures. That's why makeup is there in the face. After that, we had a few minutes break. We had sandwich, coke, and of course, I had a sugar-free 7 Up. After that, we was talking about what we did and what we have to do tomorrow. And Navdeep was literally busy in eating, so she does not have any control. That's why she was continuously eating, because after swimming, you know what will be our situation. So Navdeep was not able to look at the camera till she